my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm dipping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
So, 88 to 97 Color Supreme. It's that thing Steve be talking about he want to fix up if he got one. I think he want a two-door. Everybody loves a two-door. No pun intended, Steve. No pun intended. I meant you wanted one of the two-door Cutlass. Fuel tank. No, it ain't got no baffle on it. Surprisingly. I got certain ones that necessarily need one. I'm guessing. I don't really know. Off the top of the dome. Got 96 Roadmaster. I don't know if it's a 96, but that year it was the 93 Roadmaster. We got what used to hold the fans. I had 104 on the cluster. Now I don't know if this is the same Skylark that Classic just showed the other day, but I think it is. And that motherfucker is toast. I think they've been watching your videos, Classic. I think they're paying attention, and they is coming and getting this shit. Yeah, 1972 Skylark. This is probably just like a couple days later after he shot the video. Yeah. Bust down Tatiana. That's exactly what they did. Busted her down. Alright, let's keep it pushing. Move towards the front to get out of here, man. I seen 92 Buick Roadmaster on them things. I wonder if that's why they ain't took it, because they can't get the lock out. They don't look to be bent or nothing. I mean, the top is bent, but that's too easy. Oh shit, one is missing. The other three is there. You could probably get lucky and the motherfuckers in the trunk or something. No, not this time. All right, let's keep it pushing. Got a little Saber, 77 to 85. Them tires don't look too bad. Pretty sure that's that same lug pattern. Well, that one look bad. This ain't what we came for, but now we'll look. Inside pretty rough. Them seats is gone. Look like a guitar stand or some shit. Yeah, that's what it looked like. Alright, let's keep it pushing. 1991 Camaro Look like they changed out the steering wheel. That's not the steering wheel. That is not the steering wheel for 1991. I do know that. TBI. Nothing major. Nothing major. If y'all want some good in-depth ass junkyard videos, y'all go check out my brother Classic Ride Societies. He's bringing you all of the old school from the junkyard in depth. Me, I'm just browsing over this shit. Here go another Riviera. It's an 81. This one I knew was too old. Them seats don't look too bad though. He done took the steering column out that bitch. And fucked out the handle. Let's see. Fucked out the handle. The tail lights back here. You can hear that shit over there, it's busted. It's busted. Got an L-Dog. Digital fuel injection. Got them lax seats in there. I think this one was very, very, very familiar. A very similar, kind of in the same family as the Riviera. But now we know shit. It's gotta be fucking. I wonder if that motor like the same shit on mine. Let me see. 78 to 87 Buick Regal fender gone. The emblem don't look to be in too bad a shape. Might grab that. I didn't notice that little plate behind there. I don't think I've seen any other old schools with that. Looks like some other cars. Look like some other cars was missing some metal. So they cut right through there. Cut all the way through there. The classic saggy headliner. Trying to get a look at this. This don't look to be in too bad a condition. It probably still work if somebody need one. See, they don't know how to take this off. All you gotta do is push on that and pull. That probably work better with two hands, but hold on. Oh no, never mind. They already took it off. That's what that part is. But I don't look to be in too bad a condition. I'll grab that. Sell it on eBay. I'm gonna do a little classic. Here go the VIN and shit. It's a 1984 Buick Regal. Photo. All right, let's keep it pushing. One more thing before we get ready to go, man. Shout out to my boy, Mr. Griffin 23. Yeah, that's about to happen. That's about to happen. Texas is totally too hot to not have air conditioning, so shout out to Mr. Griffin 23 for that mod, vid, etc., etc. So let me get this pulled off.